I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got...
What is that all about, you might be asking? Well, after watching this video, you will be able to create something like that yourself. But why? Why in the first place would you want to create something like that? Well, this is another new viral shorts trend. Just look at this channel right here. It is called OMG Respect. They have over 334,000 subscribers. And hold on tight, because they have accumulated over 95 million views. Yes, almost 100 million. That is insane, considering they make these kind of videos with animals on steroids like you could see in the beginning. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make $2,500 to almost $40,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? So you want to hop on this new YouTube Shorts trend and go viral and get thousands of dollars? Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create these kind of weird but extremely viral animals on steroids shorts with AI. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Let's first check out one of their shorts to get a better picture.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got...
Now let's watch this one.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride...
Okay, that is enough. I now know their concept. They show us images of animals with a humanized look with a lot of muscles like they are on steroids. The only difference between their different videos are the different locations and settings. And yes, these are AI-generated images, of course. I will be using MidJourney to generate the images, and if you are using another image generation like Leonardo A, you simply can copy the image prompts. It is really simple. I will write something like, a chicken couple together at an amusement park. They have both human bodies and are very muscular and on steroids. And the aspect ratio will be vertical, so 9:16. If this image turns out to be good, then we can reuse this image prompt and only need to change the animal name. Okay, this is the result. That is amazing. Now we can simply reuse that same prompt like it said, and only change the animal name and regenerate it. Do this for 10 different animals. By the way guys, this channel is another example that you can get millions of views and thousands of subscribers and thousands of dollars making AI shorts. And additionally, it really takes no effort. You only need to think outside of the box. Because who in the world would have thought people would be interested in watching animals on steroids? Well, I sure didn't expect that. But okay, now pick the best ones and download them. Now we are going to download this video from OMG Respect, so we will have a kind of template. Now open CapCut and add it in there like this. Now also add the images and put the clip on top. Now you can use the video above as your template and make the duration of images longer if needed. Okay, I need to generate some extra images. Let's do that real quick. And guys, remember that the first video you'll be creating will take the longest amount of time. After that, it will go 100 times faster, like I am going to show you later in this video. Now add all the images and resize them. Next up, we need to add the background music, and the best way to do it is to extract the audio from our template clip like this and delete the video. You could 100% use that same audio because it is allowed on YouTube Shorts. But since this is a long-form video, I'm going to look in the YouTube audio library and pick a dark hip-hop song from NFX. Add it and resize it. Okay, now we are also going to add that respect text with those emojis. Go to text and add a text block. Now type respect and add emojis, and stylize it like this. And this is optional, but you can go ahead and add a watermark like this. As a final touch, go to the filters and add, for example, the center light filter and the vivid 2 filter, and change the intensity if needed. You can opt to add transitions and effects, but that isn't necessary to go completely viral with almost 100 million views because the channel, OMG Respect, isn't doing that at all. They keep it plain and simple. Less is more. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show the end result, let's create another video like this. And this time everything will be 100 times faster. So, exit the project and then click on the 3 dots and press Duplicate. Now open the copied project. This way we can use it as our template. Next, we simply go back to MidJourney and regenerate all the prompts but with a different location, pick the best ones and upscale them, and then download them. Yeah, you literally need to change like 1 or 2 words. But since I was feeling lucky, I created a completely different starting prompt. This one right here. And if this one is successful, then we can generate all the other 9 animals with that same prompt, where we only need to change the animal name. And no worries, I will put these prompts in the video description for you. That way, you can work even faster. Now I have another trick. Go back to CapCut and go to the settings. And go to Edit. Now set the image duration to 3 seconds and press Save. Now delete the old images and drop in the new ones. And now you are done and can export it. If you want, you can rearrange the order like I am doing, but that isn't necessary at all. But okay, this way you really can create a lot of shorts in a short amount of time and go viral. Export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own Animal on Steroids shorts with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold.